Hi friends, welcome to Burlington. In this video guys, we're going to go over the home decor section, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned. Alrighty friends, starting with this beautiful picture here. It looks like it's in a mirror frame, but it is a portrait in this beautiful frame for $29.99. How gorgeous. Little water fountain right there. Pretty flowers. I like this. Oh yes. Lacquered canvas with crystal rocks, and this one is $24.99. Another beauty. And this one is nice. This one's $18. And look at these gold bells, guys. These are really pretty. These are popular now. People are using these like over their fireplaces, and I think these are really nice. So the smallest one is $3.99. The white, this one is $5.99, same size, and the largest one is $7.99. Okay. Ooh, look at these planners here. These are nice. They have 3 different sizes. The smallest one is $8, $7.99. Medium size is $12.99, and that is the largest one. This is nice, a little tray. This tray is $10.99. It has like the little marble on the inside and the gold trim. Not a bad price. Okay. Ooh, look at this one. This one is round. That's pretty. I like this one even better for $12.99. Look at this. How cute. Elephant with the little bowl. Oh yes, that color is gorgeous. $12.99, guys. Here's another one back here, a little smaller one. This little baby here is $9.99. And this one is nice. Ooh, it's so heavy. I don't know if I can pick it up. I'm sure I can. Oh, $10. Nice, right? Alrighty. Beautiful, beautiful. And this one is $11.99. Little angel. It's $8.99. Oh, look at this angel. How pretty. It's huge too. Ooh. This one is $12.99. Beautiful vase. $10. Goes really well with those colors. Or pear. This is nice for $7.99. What is this, a pear? Yes, that's nice. And they have a little apple. Oh, these are neat. The apple is $6.99. So the smaller bird is $6.99. Some type of ceramic container. $8.99 for this one. Look at this. This piece is $14.99. Oh goodness, the wiener dog. Another cute little find. This one is $14.99. And of course the top comes off, guys. Oh, beautiful. $11.99, guys. Oh, you're fancy, girl. Another popular item is going to be this vase purse for $7. Yeah. $15 for this gold bowl. We also have another size. Michael Strahan vase. What? Oh, Michael. This one is $26.99. I'm so glad his daughter is doing much better. Such a cute little girl. But yes, Michael Strahan. This pink cactus. Smells good. Pike rose scented candle, 36 ounces. And this one's $15. Beautiful blossoms. $7 for this one. It smells good. Black velvet. This one is $13. This is a really clean scent here. Yes, I like that. All right, friends, the wall vase trio in metal, $12.99. We have that one and that one. So it's metal and glass. These are beautiful. Burlington selection is much better than I remember. Okay, so the price on this one is $54.99. Fig leaf. We have two different sizes. The largest one is $54.99. The smallest one, $34.99. This is a nice piece, guys. It is $49.99. Set of 3 circles. Layered metal, $39.99. The layered metal is a 40 by 1 by 40. This black ottoman is $39.99, made by Heart and Honor. Okay. I like the shape, the curves on the seat of this one. $34.99. By the same company as that one. $39.99 for this bar stool. $59.99 for this one. Nice marble end table for $50. 4-tier shelf here, $60. There's also another one back here. I like the scallop trimming on this one. 4 shelves as well for $60. Nice bar stool here, $49.99. Nice area rugs here, guys. Different sizes. $57.99. This one is a 5.3 by 7.3. I think I've seen this one in Ross for $99.99. And this one is a 7.9 by 9. This plush faux fur area rug, it is a 46 by 66 for $29.99. This is a nice 12-piece knife set. High quality stainless steel blades, non-stick color coded for easy slicing. Lifetime warranty. $17.99. This pretty green canister with the wooden top. $10. 5-piece kitchen utensils set. Nice. $13. Cute mugs over here, guys. So this one says Blessed Mama. This one says Rise Up and Pray. Luke 22:46. $3.99. Don't ask me what it says, guys. Can't read it. But this one is $3.99. This beautiful 5-piece comforter set, this is in a size king for $60. 1 comforter, 2 king shelves, and 2 decorative pillows. This is pretty. 5-piece queen comforter set. This one is $34.99. 1 comforter, 2 standard shafts, and 2 decorative pillows. Another 5-piece comforter set in the queen, and this one is $35. Man, I'm telling you, you cannot beat these prices here. Yeah, this is a hamper here, and this one is $29.99. This basket is $16.99. Another hamper. Alrighty, friends, over in the shower curtain section, this one is by Jessica Simpson, and this one has the roller hooks. It is a 70 by 72 for $10.99. That pattern is pretty. Another beauty by Jessica Simpson, 3D textured. Love this one. I love a beautiful throw. This one is by Kenneth Cole. This one is $18. Modern woven throw. It is a 50 by 70. So that's plenty of room. Yes. It's a wide width total blackout window panel pair. Each panel measures 52 by 84, and they're $29.99. Martha Stewart, you get 2 84-inch curtains for $21.99. These are nice. Memory foam bath mats, $19.99. You get a set of 2. You get a set of 4 grippers for $6.99. Yes. Dish brush set of 2. The color is pretty. $3.99. Long handles for dish brush set of 2. The color is pretty. $3.99. Long handles for easy use and soft grip handle. Soft grip it is. Yes. Dish brush set of 2. The color is pretty. $3.99. Long handles for easy use and soft grip handle. Soft grip it is. This is a 3-piece set here. This is a cleaning brush set. Long handle again, durable handles. And this one is $4. Soft grip window squeegee, a set of 2. $3.99. Like it, I like it. Ooh, microfiber twist mop for $8. Nice. Trash can. That pattern is beautiful. It is $11. This is a nice little trash bin here for $5. This is a slim step trash can, 5 liters, $10. $14.99 for this one. Nice. Well, alrighty, my friends, that is it here at Burlington. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Guys, don't forget, I will be leaving the free ebook for content creators down in the description below. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave it linked below for free. Alrighty, guys, thanks again, and I'll see you all in the next one.